Alright, hey everyone, Carol from Segovia Quilts here. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. So my shop is growing, thankfully, and with the growth I have decided to add fabric to my online shop. So I have gotten in my first couple of boxes of fabric and I wanted to do like an unboxing with you all so you could see the brand new beautiful fabrics that we're going to be offering in our shop, either as yardage, and I do have a couple of kits that I'm going to be posting soon, making different bags with some of the fabric that we're going to be unboxing today. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first box that I'm going to be unpacking today is all Michael Miller fabric. So I picked out, I didn't do whole collections of the Michael Miller just because they had so many different super cute prints and I couldn't pick like one collection. So I got kind of like a menagerie of fabrics. So this first one here is, I have it listed as connecting prints. So I kind of look at it as like a cheater fabric, if you will, because it looks like it's already like been pieced. It looks like it's several different pieces, but it's not. It's just one fabric print. So I thought this was super cute. I love the blues and I really love the pinks. I kind of like the blue and pink colorway together. So I got that one. Our next one here, this one is a black and white print, and this one is called Yoga Garden. So this one has like a bunch of little different leaf designs on it. I thought it was super cute, and I didn't necessarily go with like a super colorful one for this. They did have some other prints, but I wanted to get kind of like a plain black and white just because you can really use this in just about any kind of pattern. So I thought that one was cute. So this next print that we got is called Meadow Social. Now this one is super cute because it actually has, and let me see if I can turn it so you can see the animals on it. So this one has little tiny like foxes and hedgehogs and birds. Hopefully you can see it and it's not glaring off the plastic there. But yeah, bunnies, birds, foxes, super cute. Obviously it's in the blue colorway. All right, this next print is still kind of going along the lines of cute little forest animals. So this one is called Forest Adventure. And let me see if I can hold it the right direction for you. So now this one also has cute little forest animals. It has foxes, bunnies, looks like squirrels or chipmunks, along with like some little forestry things of the pine cones and then different little flowers. I thought that was super cute too. So now part of when I was picking out these different fabrics was for fussy cutting. So yes, their fabrics are cute like just by themselves, but I'm also looking for fabrics that would make really good pieces for fussy cutting. And this one, the Forest Adventure, I thought was super adorable. I love the foxes. So yeah, I went with that one. All right, so this next one, so now this one actually does go with the black and white print that I showed you a little bit ago. This one is called Yoga Blossoms, and it is from the same collection. So now this one has like brown and beige stripes on it, and then it also has little flowers and a little sprigs of some greenery. This next one here is called Butterfly Frolic. And this one might be a little harder to see just because of how light of a print it is. But it does have little butterflies, some sprigs of foliage, little flowers. Has a little bit of everything kind of mixed in there. But obviously it's in a neutral color. It doesn't have like super popping colors. So again, this one can kind of go with any kind of quilt pattern because it is a neutral color. All right, so this next one really fit in well with my whole fussy cutting thought process. So again, let me hold it so you can see it the right direction. This one is like little unicorns, pink and yellow and orange little unicorns on a navy background, along with the different flowers and some greenery and foliage. Again, perfect for fussy cutting. I saw this and I was like, I have to have that one. It's gonna look beautiful for some of the bag kits that I have coming up. So yeah, I had to get that one. I couldn't not get that one. All right, so this next one is like the first that I've seen of its kind. So it's blue. It's like a navy blue, and it's actually little trees. And let me hold it in the right direction so you can see it. So it's little trees with animals. It looks like deer, bats, skunks, bears, kind of all hanging out, sticking out of the trees, kind of like peeking around. But what makes this fabric so different and like a first that I've seen is it's actually glow in the dark fabric. So this would be great for a child's quilt, or if you're just into super cute forest animals, for an adult quilt. So again, I picked it again because I think it has like really good opportunities for some fussy cutting options. And then the glow in the dark aspect is just like kind of the cherry on top. All right, so this next fabric, again, perfect for fussy cutting. So first, obviously it's pink, and the design on it is llamas. So this is called La Llama, and it has cute little white llamas, and they have like these adorable little blankets on their backs with these little plants on top of the blankets. Again, perfect for fussy cutting. This is gonna go great with some of the kit options that we're gonna have soon. So obviously I got that one. All right, and then the last bolt that we have from our Michael Miller collections is this one. This is on a white backing, and it has blue and pink and orange slots. This one is called Hanging There. And in addition to the sloths, it has a little bit of greenery, some flowers. It looks like it has some orange birds spread throughout. So again, I saw this and was like, that is too cute to not get. So now we have some sloths hanging around. All right, so the next fabrics that we're going to be unpacking comes from Oasis Fabrics. So now these I did stick kind of with a collection. So this first one here is from, I'm gonna try and pronounce it correctly, but it's from Sahul Land, S-A-H-U-L Land. So this one here, hopefully you can see it, it's not too glaring for you. So now this one is from Sahul Land, Land Dots Pink. So it's on a predominantly black background, and it does have dots throughout. The dots are pink, red, orange, white, and yellow. So that is the first one from the same collection, the Sahul Land collection. So this second fabric is from the same Sahul Land collection. This one, there you go. This one is called Sahul Land Owls Pink. It does have like blue, yellow, teal, purple owls in it, and they are all kind of lined with this really beautiful, vibrant pink color. There's actually a lot of detail in here that I'm hoping the camera is picking up for you. So again, this is the same collection as the Dots Pink. All right, so this next one is from the Sahul Land collection. Let me see if I can hold it in the right direction for you. So now this one is called Sahul Land Stacked Owls Blue. There you go. So again, this is all owls, and they really are in just about every color. So yellow, pink, purple, blue, all different colors. And then this bolt is also from the Sahul Land collection. So this is Sahul Land Dots Blue. This is the same as the Dots Pink, it's just in the blue colorway. So again, predominantly black background fabric, and then the dots in it are blue, light blue, purple, yellow, and it looks like a teal is in there, and then a couple of pink dots scattered throughout. So those four are from the same collection. There is one more bolt that is supposed to be coming for this collection, but it is presently on back order. So that one bolt that is on back order is called Sahul Land Master Blue. So the next 4 bolts that I have are from the same collection also, again from Oasis Fabrics. So now this collection is Panotia Butterfly. It's P-A-N-N-O-T-I-A Butterfly. Panotia Butterfly. So this one here is called Panotia Butterfly Yellow. So predominantly yellow backing, and then the butterflies throughout are a combination of like a rusty red, yellow, orange. So there's that one. Again, these fabrics are going to be perfect for fussy cutting. The butterflies and the owls I think will be super cute for some of the kits that I have coming up, as well as you can fussy cut them and then do applique with them on, like, first thing that I thought was like a jean jacket or even on a pair of jeans, something like that. So this bolt is called Panotia Butterfly Teal. So there's that one. So again, the backing is predominantly blue, and then the butterflies throughout are blue, purple, yellow. There's a couple that are like a multi-color, so like the top of their wings are blue, the bottom of the wings are purple. So this one is, again, super cute and will be great for fussy cutting. So this next bolt here is Panotia Butterfly Floral Blue. So this one has a more blue colorway to it. It has blue butterflies, yellow, purple. This one also has flowers throughout too. So the flowers are purple, pink, yellow, blue. It's got pretty much just about every color of the rainbow you can think of. And again, gonna be great for fussy cutting. All right, so the last bolt from this collection, this one is actually the Panotia Butterfly Yellow. So let me show you the first one that I had pulled out. I had said it was the yellow, it was actually the beige. So let me show you. So this is the yellow, this is the one that I just pulled out. This is Panotia Butterfly Yellow. Again, predominantly yellow background, and then you have the blue, purple, pink butterflies throughout. So this is the yellow, and then this one here is the beige. So hopefully you can see. So they're pretty similar. The yellow one does have more colorful butterflies than the beige, but hopefully you can see the difference in the color between the two. So again, both of these are from the same fabric collection. This is Panotia Butterfly. And all of these again are from Oasis Fabrics. All right, so that is it for today's fabric unboxing. Hopefully you all liked the fabrics that I ordered and that I'm going to be carrying in my shop now. All of these fabrics are available for purchase on my website. I do have the link in the description down below. You can buy it in various different cuts, so whatever you're looking for, I can definitely accommodate the amount of fabric that you need. Keep an eye out on my website and also on my social medias on Facebook and Instagram. I will be posting the kit that I am putting together with this fabric. If you liked today's video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel yet, please make sure you do so by hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching today's video, and until next time, I will see you all later.